Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to log in into your Google Workspace account. And to do so it's very simple. I will show you the issue and then the fix. So here I am on the Google Workspace homepage. If I go to the admin console here, I will click on it once and here I will have to choose an account to continue. So I will choose any of the accounts. If I click on it once, as you can see it loads but nothing happens. I will click on it again, it loads but nothing happens. So what's the issue? If you have access to an administrator account, you can sign in to the Google Admin Console. The Admin Console that I opened right here is where administrators manage Google services for people in an organization. So to sign in now, it requires an administrator account. In any web browser, you can go to admin.google.com or you go to Google Workspace and here click on Admin Console. Enter the admin email address. Here, for example, I will choose another account and here I will type the email address. For example, johndoe at your domain admin.com. Here, your domain is supposed to mean whatever domain you have. For example, we can type at Microsoft, at Deloitte, at EY, for example, anything, okay? So your domain.com. But most importantly, it's not at gmail.com, okay? So here, if I type this, it won't work, okay? So you will need to have the domain account. So starting from this sign-in page, you have to enter an administrator account, name and password. An administrator account has privileges to manage services for other people in your organization. The admin console is only available when you are signed in to an administrator account. If you don't have access to an administrator account, get help for someone else who does. Maybe someone who is in your organization or someone who can help you basically. If you see a list of Google accounts on the sign-in page, be sure to choose an administrator account. The most important thing is that it does not end in at gmail.com. If your administrator account isn't listed, click the link to sign into a different account as I did earlier in the video. So that's it guys, that's the way to enter the admin console on the Google Workspace. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it did.